Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So I'm just giving you a little update of what is happening. It's not a tour, just to keep you posted. All right. I hope you all are well and in the best of health. So come along with me.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
You can see that my banana is making nice progress. Right? So this is one hand. This is another hand. This is another one. Go around right there. This is another one right here. There's another one coming out right here. And maybe another one going to come out as well. So far this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hands. And the last one we had was 3 hands. 3 smaller hands. But these are about let me see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Nice. 10 on that one. How many on this one? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 on this one as well. That's nice. Let's see this one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 on all of them, man. Let me see this one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 is the perfect number. I can't count this one as yet because it is still opening up right there. So far 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 visible hands, which is good, isn't it? Man, the joy that comes behind this. Growing a banana in a container, it feels so good. Now you can really see how much this mulberry tree is producing, because now they are turning red. And yes, they are tiny. They will get a little bigger as they ripen. And usually after I get the first harvest, the others usually start to plum into bigger mulberries. So I'm just showing you, because now you can have that better view of how loaded it is. So just bear with me. Let me give you a detail. Look at it. All right, so I am going up section by section or branch by branch. I may miss a few, but at least I know I'm giving you much of it. Look at here. This is acting like a huge tree that is not in container. Can you imagine? This is in container and it is doing so well. See the container for those who have never seen it before. Yeah. Loaded. Look at here. I'll soon go back around to the back and show you those that I haven't shown you as yet. This baby is doing its thing. The joy that comes with, all of this. If you have not yet started to experience it, definitely go for it. Absolutely nothing like eating fresh from your garden. Can you imagine you're coming to your backyard and it's like you're in a grocery store, just getting all of what you eat and all of what you grow. My grapevine here So the blossoms already burst open. So these what you're seeing right now, those are baby grapes. So I'm really hoping for the best. The same thing with this one right here. And I do see tiny grapes coming on. They are not visible right now because they are so tiny. I'm looking to see if I can find one to show you. Oh, so one right here. Hold on, let the camera focus. Trying to focus right here. Yes, so this is one of the tiny ones. And there are others like this on there. So I am super excited. String beans are rolling in. Slowly, slowly but surely. Some over here as well. And I'm pretty sure some is over here. Ooh, look at this one. Almost fully mature. See that one? So, yeah, soon we'll be having string beans. I love some blanched string beans with carrots as a side dish. So I'm so excited to have them coming in again in the garden. And I did plant some more. So those are sprouting in different areas of the garden. I really can't help but to show you my June plum tree each time. It is so exciting to see. Though some of you would remember what happened to it, and to see it flourishing like this, you know, it's such a joy. And that's how life is. Don't worry about what you've been through. Focus on your now, and you'll be amazed to see where life takes you. Oh, God will turn around things for your good. Because right now it is in the perfect position, in my opinion, for me. I get a joy looking at it from this angle. Such a beauty to look at. Look at these lovely Scotch bonnet peppers. Something got into this one. I saw it from it was green. I decided I would leave it so that they can focus on that and don't go to the other one close by or on the plant itself. So you can look at these beauties that I'm going to get. I love me some Scotch bonnet peppers. And there are more coming on. There are some tiny ones on there. But I'm going to get all these ripe ones. Or the ones that are turned. So that the plant can focus on giving me more. And focus on these tiny ones as well. Currently now in Jamaica, the price of Scotch bonnet pepper is out the roof. It's unbelievable. I never imagined the prices could be like that. For 1 pound, $3,000 or $4,000 for 1 pound of Scotch bonnet peppers. That is about 25 to 30 US dollars. I remember when I used to get Scotch bonnet peppers for probably $200, $300 per pound, and that's less than 5 US dollars. So the price now for these is ridiculous. All you need to do is plant one seed, just one seed, and you can have a constant harvest. Because when I pick these now and share, guess what? The plant will continue to produce, right? And I have several pepper trees coming up. So you get what I'm saying? Securing your food absolutely the way to go. Some people would say, why Stacey I make you rub it in? So yes, I want it soak. Can you imagine picking fresh Scotch bonnet peppers from your garden? Especially in a time like this? Boy, it is everything. If you take a look right here, you see my sorrels, they're coming up nicely. So even though Hurricane Melissa damaged much of them, well, most of them, because I had a lot more, you know, I am still super grateful for what I'll be getting. I do have some sorrel in the freezer. This is the perfect amount that I'm getting to add to that. Now my coconut tree, can I tell you, I did not get the help that I needed, but I just put a block inside here, a building block or a concrete block, and I use a belt, and I put it around, and I hold the belt and I just pull and I lift up the block with, guys, I could show you. You just laugh at me. Anyway, I got it standing, and that's the ultimate thing right now. And I did prune it back because a lot of what was on there wasn't looking good at all. You can see over there. So yeah, my coconut tree is back into position. There we go. These zinnias are such a beauty. I made some changes to the garden, and in my next update I'll definitely show you exactly what's up. Like this cherry tree is now right here, and can I tell you, I'm seeing where it is going to start to produce again, and I am so anticipating that. Can you see this Malabar spinach over there? Over here? Ah, behaving so vigorously, and it has so many seeds on here. I'm going to research it. What should I do? Should I cut them off? Because this is going to splash all over the place. What am I supposed to do? I'm going to research it if I should cut them off and let the plant just focus on giving me leaves each time. So I'm going to make a huge harvest over here. The green one is doing well as well, and it is also putting out a lot of seeds, but it is not as vigorous as the red vine one. Bell peppers coming in, and my cucumbers are growing nicely, especially these ones over here. I'll show you the other one. This one. Oh, let me show you this one. I didn't show you this one. As I'm still planting and I'm still rearranging. Look at the fig plant. Absolutely beautiful. Nothing beats eating what you grow and growing what you eat. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.